ingredients. What are you doing?
I was just gonna eat one of these.
No. We need them for our video, remember?
What are we making again?
Grilled Mediterranean lamb sandwiches. We've discussed this.
Oh, that's right. Do you think we can still use this?
Not that you put hummus on it.
No.
Just throw it out. Luckily, we bought extras. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So, to make our grilled Mediterranean lamb sandwiches, all we need is the ingredients. And then the instructions. But the ingredients first. Wait, I wanted to go the other way. I don't care. Preheat an outdoor grill or your stove on high heat and lightly oil the grate or pan. We are making it in a pan.
Mix lamb, shallot, mint, paprika, cumin, salt, coriander, cinnamon, black pepper, and adobo together gently in a bowl. Form lamb mixture into 8 cylinders, approximately 1 by 3 inches in size, using about 3 tablespoons of mixture per cylinder.
Reduce the grill or pan heat to medium and transfer the lamb to the pan and cook until no longer pink in the center and the juices run clear, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. An instant read thermometer inserted into the center should read at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Then remove from the grill or pan.
Mix yogurt, tahini, and lemon juice together in a bowl until sauce is uniform.
Spread a quarter of the yogurt sauce down the middle of each pita. Top with lamb, tomato, feta cheese, and lettuce, like this. Try it.
Yum, 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 yum.
Okay, tasting time.
That don't have enough.
Very good. You don't need to.
Okay.
So
we do this right back?
No, just eat.
Oh, okay.
Boom. Okay, ready? It shouldn't be hot.
Probably, maybe.
So,
Whoa, boy. Oh boy.
Maybe pita pockets would have been better.
No, shoot. My lamb just fell out. What's my lamb just fell out?
Just, you know, it's fine.
Okay.
I didn't get any of the lamb, no.
It's very good. Oh, so juicy. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. That's probably one of my favorite meals we've made, right? I really love it. I don't think there's anything I would change.
Yeah. I mean, except maybe the pita bread, but
Yeah, maybe pita pocket next time, but otherwise, oh my gosh,
yeah, it's just really good.
it's so good.
Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.